Welcome to the world of 3D printing. It is a revolutionary technology that creates three-dimensional objects. Using a computer-aided design (CAD) software, you can design any object you want. The software then slices the design into thin layers. These layers are sent to a 3D printer, which builds the object layer by layer. The 3D printer uses different materials like plastic, metal, or even food ingredients to create the object. This technology offers endless possibilities, from creating intricate jewelry to building complex machine parts. 3D printing is used in various industries, including healthcare, aerospace, and automotive. It allows for rapid prototyping, reducing costs and time. With its increasing accessibility and affordability, individuals can also own 3D printers at home. So, whether you are a designer, engineer, or just someone curious about this innovative technology, 3D printing has the power to transform our world.